Hey everyone, I wanted to jump on really quickly and do a celebration post. I started Robbie's program probably about a month ago. This week I had my first $230 day, and coming into it not knowing a lot about Facebook ads at all, I am actually super excited to be getting the results that I'm getting right now. I'll show you guys what I have gone through over the last week because it just keeps getting better and better and better. I don't know if you can see this. There we go. If you're on the fence, if you're not sure, this program is amazing. Robbie is absolutely amazing with the support, with the knowledge, with the truth bombs. I'm excited, and it's just gonna keep getting better from here. Thank you, and I just wanted to celebrate. It was literally my first, technically my first big sale. So just wanted to share that with you guys, and how stoked I am.